final stage of the data cycle is the conclusion stage. Here, the results from the analysis stage are used to answer the question from the problem stage. This is a key stage because it involves a crucial skill for data literacy, communicating results and storytelling with data. In the real world, learners are more likely to interpret claims about data made by other people in adverts on TV or on social media, such as during election campaigns, rather than following the data cycle themselves.
This step in the data cycle provides an opportunity for learners to be creative and summarise the relevant data and the data collection techniques. They could create a poster, a video, or a written summary. You could develop a class display to integrate the ideas from your whole class. As the learners get older, there are opportunities to extend the conclusion phase to consider follow-up activities.
A follow-up activity might be learners using their findings from the first 4 stages of the data cycle to decide and communicate any actions that could be taken to change the situation, like making a recommendation.
If the data collected was to cast light on an issue in the local community, such as the frequency of visits to the local park by various groups of local people, in the conclusion stage, a recommendation could be made to the local authority on how to spend money refurbishing the park to meet the needs of those different people. Depending on the problem set in the first stage, some cycles may conclude with as many new questions as answers. Learners conclude the data cycle process by reflecting on what they've learned. This leads them to decide what new or refined questions they could ask if themselves or other researchers repeated the data problem-solving process. And so, the data cycle continues. If you've found this lesson useful, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this topic. Check out some of the other videos that we've been working on.